Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always.
Today we're taking a look at entrepreneurship, but with a bit of a twist.
A different perspective.
Yeah, exactly. We've got this document, Entrepreneurs Opting for Acquisition Over Startups, and let me tell you, it's pretty interesting stuff.
Eye-opening even.
So it's like, we always hear about the classic entrepreneur, right?
Yeah, building a business from nothing. The garage, the basement.
Right. But this document, it's saying that more and more entrepreneurs are,
Well, they're choosing a different path.
they're going for acquisitions instead.
Skipping the whole startup grind.
And they have some pretty good reasons for doing so, too.
Definitely.
I was looking at this Forbes report, and they were saying that acquisitions, it's like they give you this instant access to, well,
Everything a startup takes years to build.
like an existing customer base,
Already there, ready to go.
proven revenue streams,
Money coming in from day one.
and even operational infrastructure.
A whole system already in place.
It really does sound like a massive head start.
Compared to starting from scratch?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Way less risk involved.
So you're not, spending years and years just trying to get off the ground.
Exactly. You're hitting the ground running.
And this isn't just some small trend either. A Harvard Business Review study found that over 60%, like more than half of entrepreneurs, are seriously considering acquisition as a real alternative to starting from scratch.
It's a pretty big deal. It's changing how we think about entrepreneurship.
Not just anecdotal either. Statista actually saw a 25% surge in business acquisitions over the last 5 years. So it's like you're an entrepreneur, right? And the economy is being, well,
Unpredictable, to
Big-
say the least.
right. And suddenly you've got this chance to step into a business that's already successful.
Stability in an unstable world. Very appealing.
But it's not just about the stability, is it?
No, you're also getting those established assets, brand recognition, operational expertise.
Stuff that a startup would take, I don't know, years to develop. And that means you can enter the market, expand much faster. Take Dollar Shave Club, for example.
Oh, yeah, they got bought by Unilever, what was it, 2016? For $1 billion.
Right. And that launched them globally,
Yeah.
organically. That kind of growth would have taken forever.
So instead of dealing with all the initial struggles of a startup,
You can focus on the big stuff.
strategy, growth, innovation.
That's where the real excitement is, not in setting up payroll systems.
And let's not forget the financial side of things, because there are some serious benefits there.
Oh, yeah. Cash flow from day one. Profitability. You're less reliant on outside funding.
Which can be a huge relief for entrepreneurs.
No more pitching to VCs, no more giving up equity.
And there might even be some tax advantages too, right?
Possibly, depending on the specifics, depreciation, things like that. Leverage opportunities that startups just don't have.
This is all starting to make a lot of sense now. But I do have to wonder, are there any downsides to acquisitions? I mean, it can't be all sunshine and roses, right?
Well, acquisitions aren't a guaranteed ticket to success, that's for sure.
There's got to be some catches.
Due diligence is absolutely essential, really digging deep into the business you're acquiring.
Making sure there aren't any skeletons hiding in the closet.
Exactly. Hidden problems, liabilities, anything that could come back to bite you.
And even if everything checks out on paper,
Yeah.
there's still the whole integration process.
Right. Merging two different companies, two different cultures, it can be tricky. Takes time, planning, careful execution.
So it's not as simple as just buying a business and then, watching the money roll in.
If only it were that easy. Strategic planning is key, research, all of that.
It really seems like the world of entrepreneurship is changing. It's not just about building from scratch anymore. Acquisitions, they're becoming a major player.
A viable path to success, especially in the current market.
So it's like, if you're thinking about becoming an entrepreneur, you've got to ask yourself,
What's the best approach for me?
is it the traditional startup route?
Or is it something else?
Yeah. Maybe an acquisition could get you where you want to be, faster, more securely.
It's a dynamic world out there, and knowing your options is more important than ever.
That's right. And that's it for our deep dive today. Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.